for C4 Therapeutics, it's a little bit a unique case because the program we have been working on is EGFR for treatment of non-small cell lung cancer. If you look at the incidence rate, so definitely non-small cell lung cancer in China is a big indication, particularly for EGFR. The incidence rate in China is about 50% versus United States is about 23-25%. You can do a simple math. China, such a big population, 1.4 billion residents versus United States, I think is about 330 million. The patient base definitely is much higher in China versus the state. MSQ, number one, has a very strong network in China, actually can expand the outreach, even though they already have interest. Our value is really to validate the partner. They wanted to have a strong partner who can really execute, who can really conduct the clinical trial in a high quality way. So they really need someone who know about this company, who can really validate if this company is a good partner. Before, in the past, language was an issue, but now I would say more and more Chinese biotech companies, especially for the BD person, they don't have any issue in terms of the language. So the barrier is gone. In addition to the language, another barrier is really about the mindset, especially from the perspective of business. People think different way because of the different culture, and that's actually put some disadvantage for biotech companies based in the States, right? How to negotiate with Chinese company based on their culture, based on their mindsets, and which definitely we can help because, half of our team members are Chinese. We grew up there. We understand what their mindset and the mentality. Based on all these considerations, C4 decided to engage MSQ Ventures to help maximize the success. Typically, I would say for a preclinical asset, even reaching $10 million is already a big success. We eventually ended up with $35 million, way beyond the industry average. That part of value definitely, help our clients get a non-diluted investment by this transaction. The China partner recently just started the clinical trial in China. So they are going to do the phase 1 clinical trial in China. The China partner is going to help C4 to generate more data compared versus if C4 only do this alone. Typically for one oncology drug, the market in China versus market in the United States, probably only 20%. The pricing is much lower in China versus other states. However, given the high incidence prevalent rate of EGFR mutation patients in China, actually the market size is close to 50% versus United States. So we are talking about potential like $1 billion market in China. That's a long-term, definitely a long-term big value to C4 Therapeutics.